Some of us say, God has not blessed us. We look at our cars. You are driving a Toyota Camry. Do you know that a Toyota Camry has 203 horsepower? One horse can generate 15 horsepower. That means that if you own a Toyota Camry, you have the equivalent of 13.5 horses in your garage. If you drive a Tesla, calm down. A Tesla Model 3. Model 3 is the equivalent of 34 horses. 34 horses in your garage, and yet we're grumbling. Is that a joke? The problem is not that we're not wealthy. The problem is that we're greedy. We have forgotten what being poor looks like. We have forgotten the days when a pack of ramen or Indomie was all that we could afford. We have forgotten the days when we had to share a bed with siblings. We have forgotten the days when we had to trek to school. We have forgotten the days when we had nothing.